Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pretty Princess from Forsaken. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. We're going to step over from the center. We're going to draw in a nice thin oval and we're going to taper that in on a diagonal towards the bottom. We're going to leave a gap, replicating that as we move across on the right. And then from here we're just going to color in the eyes black. On the bottom now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the smile. And then moving over on the side, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right for the bottom of the face. On the side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line through towards the top, curving that up slightly on the left and right hand side. We're going to end that at the same height. And then now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the middle. And then again, we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side, connecting that in the center. Let's draw on the bow beside this now. So we're going to draw on an arch line. Moving up, we're going to arch this line up and then back down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, curving this out and then back in. And we're just going to add in a small detailed line, curving that out on both sides. Now let's draw in the body. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, drawing in a straight line, connecting that to the head. We're going to round the edge out here, bringing this around and then down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same on the right. We're going to round that edge out again, creating a nice big square for the torso, bringing that in towards the middle. And then again, we're going to replicate on the right hand side, bringing this over and through towards the center. Let's draw on the arms now. So we're going to round out that edge, bringing that over towards the side. And we're going to do the same thing on the left. Let's round out that edge again as we bring this down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height as the torso. And then we're going to round out the inside corner, curving this around, flattening that out, bringing that up. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left. Now directly in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom. On the left-hand side, rounding out that edge, bringing this down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now let's round out that corner, flattening that out as we come all the way down towards the bottom. And now we're just going to write in the writing across the body. So we're going to start with the word team on the left-hand side. So we're going to start with the letter T. We're going to move across, drawing in the letter E. Let's draw in the letter A. And then we're going to draw in the letter M. Let's write in the letter P here beside that in the torso. The letter R. The number 3. And then we're going to draw in the letter T. Let's draw in the letter Y. We're going to draw in the letter P. The letter R. We're going to come across and draw in 3 eyes. We're going to write in the letter N, the letter C, the letter E, and then lastly, just 2 S's. We're going to draw in an exclamation point here. Now we're going to come down, we're going to write in the letter A. We're going to write in 2 P's. We're going to leave a gap, writing in the letter L, the letter I, the letter C, A, T, I, O, N, and S. Let's come across again. We're going to write in the letter O. Again with the letter P. Then we're going to do an E right in the middle here. And lastly, the letter N. And then we're just going to draw in 1 more exclamation mark. And that is it. That's how you draw Pretty Princess from Forsaken. You can pause the video and color it the way. And that is it. That's how you draw Pretty Princess from Forsaken. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.